Hello, dear friends. My name is Yuri Bishko. Today, I will tell you about my educational service. Also, I will tell you what you need to do to become really proper trader and what you need to do to get first to start making first 5, 10, 20% per month with low risk and how much time it will take. Few words about me. In trading, I'm 7 years. Started by myself, attended so many courses, and accumulated all that knowledge. Also, 1 year I worked in a fixed broker and saw trading from different sides. That's why I can help you to avoid most mistakes which do maybe 90 or some 90% of all traders, because when I work in a fixed broker I had portfolio of 1172 traders, and most of them always do the same mistake, repeat and repeat, and I can help you to avoid all that mistakes. And for start, stop you blowing your money. It will be our first goal, to stop blowing your money, and after that learn how to trade properly. Because if you will not attend proper course education, you will blow out. In average it is 10,000 if you from some Poland, in UK, United Kingdom, in average trader lose 20,000 British pounds before he leave the market. That's why it is really a lot of money on a table. Think wisely. For a start, I want to show you real example of my cooperation with investor. You need to know that I don't just blah blah. I trade on real money on real accounts. 2 years ago, from Britain, one investor wrote to me that he want to buy a house. He said to me, Yuri, I want to buy a house. Help me with it. It's example how we start cooperation. First he open trial account, after that I trade. You see that sometimes I have stop loss, and it's normal, it's part of business. After that he understood that everything okay with me, and we can continue our cooperation. And after that he deposited to 55,000 British pounds, and after 2 years we made 81,000 British pound. It is 100,000. It is 101,000 United States dollar of profit. That's why. That's why, friends, we speak about real money. Also, some accounts which I manage currently. It's not all accounts which I have now. It's some of the accounts. That's why. About education, you need to understand that we speak about only practical knowledge which we use on real accounts. What you will get, what you will get when we start our education. First, everything depends on your level, because if you really just a fresher and you don't know basic knowledge, we will start from that basis. But it's better when you know it. We will be able to spend more time mm, with really good education. First, we will do effective start. I will tell you about which we discover all mistakes and create educational plan for you. For example, if you trade few months and you have statement, it will really awesome, because uh, you know the basis. We will check your mistake and we will start build your experience and your knowledge. After that, we will speak about principal interaction of between sellers and buyers. It is fundamental topic. It's a keystone of the trading. You will learn how big player works, and you will be able to see that rules on different markets, because I trade oil indexes, gold, cryptocurrencies, currency pairs, and you will be able to trade all the markets when you will understand that. After that, formula for safe trading, we will discover trading style. I will show you key places on a chart where it's the best to open entry with low risk and great reward. Also, proper risk and money management. It's the biggest reason why 80% of traders in forex brokers lose their money because of poor risk and money management. After that, we will create for you your own algorithm. What is algorithm? It is step by step trading plan where we will write everything about your trading system, everything, what you trade, what is your trading edge, what patterns you are looking in the market. It will be we will summarize everything what we will learn, why you should have it, because when you will write it, you will understood what you are looking in the market, and you will avoid most of the mistakes which 90% of traders do and lose money. Also about psychology in trading, many things you will get, you will understand only when you will trade on real money. That's why it will be a feedback of how many times do you need. We will work 2-3 times per week. It is VIP code, it is VIP education. First we have a lesson, after that I give you homework and you do homework and we check your homework, and it will take 3 months to really to build habit and knowledge. Also you will have access to my Telegram, WhatsApp, and you will be able to ask all questions from me. Also about VIP members, you will I will add you to my VIP channel where I send to VIP channel where I send all entries which I open on my personal account here, and also here will be a VIP discussion. You will be also member of it as a VIP. Also about trading statistic. After all education, we will check your statistic and I will tell you what you should improve, to become better trader. That's why it will take for you 3 months. It will take for you 2 lessons per week, sometimes 3 lessons if you will have more time. About time, we can schedule because I'm full-time trader, and if you have some job, we can take best time for both of us. About guarantee, about guarantee, the 100% money back guarantee. You will have 1 week to see my approach and to make a decision uh, do you want to study from me? We together will make that decision. Do we want to work together, to continue work together after 1 week? If something will, if you will want to take back, it's okay. What else? And about other questions, if you have some questions about education, you can write to my assistant. Her contacts will be below this video. Here's this number, it is WhatsApp and Telegram number. I will write below this YouTube video. That's why right now about education. First lesson, first consultation will be for free. We can discuss it, but you need to understand that I do not work for 100 USD. Uh, 100 USD per all course. Education cost money, cost good money. From September, I will raise my price of my VIP service. Also, about seats, we have only 4 seats with who I can work at the same time. That's why. Do not hesitate just right now about education. Have a great time. Bye.